Hello and welcome to how to use attenuation. So when you're placing audio into your scene, you'll have audio files such as this, and let's say we put in this fire here. I can drag my fire actor out and place them into the scene like so, and hit play, and I can hear the fire no problem. At the moment, you can see I can hear it everywhere I go. Doesn't matter how far away I am from that sound, it's going to play in what we call 2D space. So if I want to make it use attenuation, which is spatialize three-dimensional space, I have to go down to its detail settings and change a few settings here. The first thing we've got, if you scroll down, you'll see attenuation allows spatialization. And then in here you want to do override attenuation. Tick this, and now you can see you've got the attenuation circles appearing around your shape. You've got a smaller one and a much larger one by default. So to demonstrate what these do, I'm going to make the smaller one a little bit smaller. So I'm going to do that to 200. And I'm going to change the fall off distance here to 1000. So it's a lot smaller. So what these will do is, if I'm inside the smaller circle, it'll play the sound at full volume. But then outside that small circle, it will gradiate the sound out based upon my distance towards the fall off outer radius. Let's push play, and so you can hear it's quieter. Now if I move closer to its source, which is over here, it'll get louder. Important to note, by the way, this is based upon where the camera is, not where the player is. So be aware of that fact when you are designing your levels, that sound is based upon the player camera. So as I move away from here, you can see sound is disappearing. And if you've got stereo headsets on, you can hear the sound transition from your left hand side to the right hand side when you are moving the camera around as well. Now this attenuation is pretty simple to set up, as you can do it over here, but you can do different shapes as well. You've got sphere, capsules, box and cones, depending on what kind of sound you're doing, I guess. But one thing that's important to note is that you can also make attenuation actors as well. So rather than overriding it, we're going to turn off. You can also create attenuation settings as an actor object here. I can click on this and I'll go to new sound attenuation. Here's where I want to save it. We'll just keep it here. And then I can open it up. And now I've got the same settings here that I had before. I can put this down to 200 again, and this down to 1000 to get the same settings. And that's going to be applied to this. Now the bonus this has is that means that I can make all similar sounds like props and other things like that share same attenuation settings. I don't have to keep overriding them every single time. I don't have to keep changing the settings exactly how I want them every single time. But there may be more settings that you change over here too, rather than just the radius as well. You've got all this other stuff too that you can change. So lots of interesting things you could do there, and we can apply different attenuations based upon what sound we're doing. So as you can see here, this works exactly the same using the attenuation object. And there you go. That's how we use attenuation. If you like this video and want to see more how-tos and other videos by me, head over to patreon.com/RyanLaley, where your support will get you access to all my videos early before everyone else. Massive thank you to all my patrons and YouTube members for their continued support. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.